Did I miss it? Hey, today I'm going to show you what I did and the pieces involved to make this bird feeder squirrel proof.
You'll never stop me.
First, we need to buy a bird feeder, okay? Then a 1 3/8 dowel goes through the bird feeder. We have to cut the top at an angle there. It will go through the bottom of the bird feeder and extend out about 4 inches. Then we need this silver sleeve to the store. Okay, so when you purchase a bird feeder, you want to find one that has a solid bottom. I think this one has a screen. Yeah, we don't want that. You need something terra firma to drill through because it's going to go up into the roof. There you go. This one's got a solid bottom to it. And that one is $17.99. Now it's time to go to the millwork department. We want to get a closet rod that has to be 1 3/8 in diameter. This one is $14.99. 1 3/8. Where do we get one of those flangey things? You go to the chain link fence section. Top rail sleeve, $4.31. Now we're gonna need 2 of them because one is also for the bottom, which I haven't showed you yet. So 2 of these, $4.31 times 2. So in review, we have this part right here, and we have this part right here. Okay, so let's keep going. We have to get one of these things. Here's a 2-way squirrel baffle. This is $10.99, and while we're here, I might as well get the rest of the stuff, so we gotta go back over to the chain link fence section. This is a 1 3/8 top rail, which matches that closet rod. Now the top rail is the thing that goes on the top of a chain link fence. Same diameter as the closet rod. Over to the plumbing section, we want to get a 1-inch galvanized floor flange, $5.99, and the 3-inch nipple there that screws into it for $2.59. 99-cent hose clamp. This goes underneath that squirrel baffle, that green thing. And then a 1-hole strap. This is going to hold that post up against the deck rail. I'll show you that in a second. Time to go home. So the hose clamp goes under the baffle, and the chain link top rail is the post. Goes all the way down to the edge of the deck there. That's that 1-hole strap. That's what holds it up. And then on the bottom, the floor flange with that threaded pipe screwed into it, and the sleeve goes on top of the threaded pipe, and the post goes into the other end of the sleeve. So I'm a little under 6 feet tall, but I have to be able to reach up, grab this, pull it off, and put new birdseed in, because, you know, I can't really reach up there. So that's why the wooden post is there. Wooden post goes into the sleeve, and then the sleeve goes on that other deal. So we've got the wooden post inside the feed. This is kind of the sacrificial post, right? After years, it's going to wear down, but then I'll just replace it and put a new one in, which will go into this forever lasting sleeve. So that's the plan. And you want to make sure this does this, right? So it confuses the squirrels. You don't want that to be on there sturdy, because the squirrels might be able to cling onto it and climb up. So how much did this cost me? We've got the bird feeder, the closet rod, sleeve, baffle, steel post, floor flange, threaded pipe, hose clamp, 1-hole strap, $86.62.
You'll never stop me.
Sturdy and spinnable. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.